Hi there, let me show you how to change clock style for the cover screen on this Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. Let's change this clock style because I don't like this screen time. For this, I'm just gonna open settings and search for the cover screen tab. And after this, tap on your current wallpaper, and by tapping on the time, you would be able to change the style of the clock. You can even add a calendar just by tapping this option. And also you can either enable or disable to show weather information. Just tap on this switcher and the weather information appears right here in this widget. You can also change the color, we have many options here. And also you can customize the color by yourself. And don't forget to tap the down button. And after this, you can change the font style. So we have many options here, but I'm gonna choose this one. And also, if you tap on these three dots, you can change the font style to Roboto. Let's do it. And when you have finished, tap the down button and let's see the changes. And here it is. Hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.